What's up, YouTube? Thanks for checking out the Panther Magazine YouTube channel. My returning subscribers are used to my 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis GS. Obviously, behind me right now, I have a Lincoln Town Car. Story behind it, and that's pretty much what this video is going to be about. Before I explain why there's a Lincoln Town Car behind me, I do want to let you know this is a rare Lincoln Town Car. This is the 2008 Lincoln Town Car L. So the story behind my 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis GS. I got pulled over last week in my 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis GS, and apparently my registration didn't renew due to a ticket from 2019-2020. So my car got towed, and I live pretty far. I live on Nantasket Beach, which is where the Panther Magazine office is located. It's about an hour from everything pretty much. I have to drive pretty far to go anywhere. The closest fast food, McDonald's, is 2 towns away. So I live pretty far, and it's kind of impossible to do anything without a car living that far away. So pretty much I had to Uber from my office to a city about 30 minutes away, grab a rental there, then drive another 30 minutes to another town to print off the proof of insurance, then drive to another city to the RMV just for them to tell me that I couldn't pay the bill that was on my registration there at the RMV. I did get a phone number I can call, so I called them, and I can pay it online, I can pay it over the phone. I thought I could pay it at the RMV, but you can't. And they told me it'd take 5 to 7 days for the payment to process, so I couldn't take care of what I needed to take care of right there on the spot. So I figured maybe I'll just get my car out of the tow yard and just keep it parked at my office. So I drove back to where my office is located, about an hour away, 40 minutes to an hour, to the police station where they told me I couldn't get my car out of the tow yard until I took care of what I needed to take care of at the RMV. This is before I went to another town to just get the car out of the tow yard before going to the police station. So it's going to take some time for me to get my car back, and I kind of have a busy schedule during the week. And pretty much my friend Andrew that you guys have seen on the channel was willing to let me borrow his Lincoln Town Car L until I got my situation cleared up with the 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis GS. It's not that big of an issue. It can be solved. It will get solved. It's just how far I live and everything I have going on. Without a car, it's kind of impossible to do anything living that far away from everything. For the past couple of days, I've been enjoying the Lincoln Town Car L. This car's amazing. It's a big difference between driving a Grand Marquis or a Crown Vic. And big thank you to Andrew also for letting me borrow the car. He actually was overly willing to let me borrow the car. He's been wanting to give me a ride in the car, so he was like, yeah, you can borrow the town car, no problem, I want you to drive it. And now driving this town car, I've driven officially every single Panther platform car, other than the 70s Continentals and all the 80s wagons and Mercs and LTEs. I've owned 4 Grand Marquis. I'm on my 4th one now. I've owned a Crown Vic, and I got to drive my friend Tara Tweed in New Jersey. I got to drive her Mercury Marauder last summer at a meet in Philadelphia, and now I'm driving a Lincoln Town Car. So that's pretty much the story behind this Lincoln Town Car and why I'm driving the Lincoln Town Car L. Now I can show you guys all the features and we can get into the actual lifestyle behind the Lincoln Town Car L. My friend Andrew's a mechanic, so right away, the way the car is driving, it's like it's brand new off the lot, 2008. Suspension feels good, the steering feels really good. There's an exhaust system on here. Everything about this car is very cool. It feels like you're really driving a limo, driving a Lincoln Town Car. This is my first time driving one, and it feels a lot more luxurious than the Grand Marquis, which was considered a luxurious cars, luxurious sedans at the time. This is really nice. He found this Lincoln Town Car L for only $1,500. The only thing it needed was a transmission. So he got a rebuilt P71 transmission with only 10,000 miles on it. It's underneath the hood of this car. As far as the exhaust system, there's a secondary cat delete and a stock H-pipe on this car that go into cherry bomb glass pack mufflers. There's a little over 283,000 miles on this car, which is pretty solid because these cars can go for 400,000 miles or more. Let's check out the interior. Before we check out the interior, it's clean Lincoln Town Car stock wheels. I think he wants to get them done over. I really don't remember what he said about the wheels. I know he wants to do something to them, but they look pretty clean. pipes there. Really clean interior. Like really clean for 2008. The seats look really good. There's no tears. The back seat, which we're gonna get into soon. You see he has pillows back there, so you know this is a Lincoln Town Car L. But this looks really good. Stock radio. Everything's stock on here except the exhaust system and the P71 transmission. Everything works. The heat blows hot. I believe the AC blows ice cold as well. Everything's nice about the Lincoln Town Car. Again, this is my first time driving one, being behind the wheel of one. I've driven every other Panther, as far as the four main ones: the Grand Marquis, the Lincoln Town Car, the Crown Vic, the Mercury Marauder, and now the Lincoln Town Car. And the Lincoln Town Cars are really nice. And what's pretty cool is that he has Cartier floor mats. One other thing that I noticed, maybe I have to go to Andrew and ask him specifically. I went and got fast food the other night and I couldn't find a cup holder anywhere in the car. So I'm not sure if there's a cup holder in here, but the car is really nice. Now let's check out the back seat, what the Lincoln Town Car L is really known for. As you can see, the back door looks a little bit bigger and wider than the average or normal standard Panther. Lincoln Town Car L came with an extra 6 inches in the back seat, between the back seat and the front seat, and that's what makes this car really different. You don't see too many of them. I know a couple of people that I've posted on the Instagram page that may have one, but this is my first time seeing one in person. For 6 inches in the back seat is what really makes the Lincoln Town Car L special and different from the other Lincoln Town cars. So just opening the door, you can kind of feel how different and how bigger the door is compared to a regular Panther back door. And you can just see the difference in space and legroom. My seat's not that far back. I am a tall guy, but even still, there's still that much space with my seat back a little bit. Back seat is just as clean as up front. Now, as you can see, I'm 6'3½". I'm pretty tall. This is how much legroom I have from the back seat to the front seat. And this is with the seat all the way forward in a normal driving position. And this is a lot of room. It's almost like being in a limo. One of the luxuries of the Lincoln Town Car L is the mirror here. If you have a hot date or you were a businessman in 2008, sit back here and make sure you look good before you step out of the Lincoln Town Car L. As you can see, I do have the radio on. It's on a random AM station. From the back seat, you can control the volume. Again, if a businessman was back here and had a chauffeur, he can turn the music down from back here and then turn it back up.
Boston's Metro South at 10:90 a.m. Boston.
Which is really cool. Then you can also change the radio stations from here with the next button. And you can also change the temperature in the fan from the back seat. Most cars do not have that feature. There's also an OEM feature on this car. When putting the car in reverse, the car will beep when you get close to objects so you don't hit it. That's more of a new modification on the newer cars that come OEM, but the 2008 Lincoln Town Car L definitely came with that feature. So that's today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. And a big thank you to Andrew as well.